Well, hello, people of the internet. Welcome back to your weekly dose of Onokine. I grew up on the south side of Hawaiʻi Island, a little place called Hōnaunau. Growing up, I've always heard Waimea be referred to as God's country. And honestly, I didn't fully understand it back then. But after living up here these past few years, I get it now. There's something different about this place. The open pasture lands, the cool mountain air, and the way the clouds roll over the Kohala mountain foothills. It all has a feeling you can't really explain until you spend time here. And when you head towards the Kona side, the island changes again. Out at Honokōhau Harbor, the mountains give way to blue ocean, boat traffic, black lava rocks, and that warm Kona sun shining over the coastline. That's the magic of Hawaiʻi Island. Every side has its own mana, its own story, its own feeling. But up here in the pastures, the foothills, and the mountain air, you really start to understand why they call Waimea God's country. So recline your seats and put up your feet, and let's take a ride, because it's gonna be Ono.
Throw me down, I'll steal the moon, I'll tear the night, keep it from you. Hold me up and watch me bloom. I'm a dangerous fire, a poison fuel. Now I'm done staying, quit playing. I'm out on this. I spent too long lying, and now I'm trying to hide you. Trying to see me there, and see me covered up. Baby, I'm not scared what you're thinking of. You see me here and held me miles away. Underneath my skin is all you'll see today. I could take you there if you let me see why you are the one, you the one for me. Time is wasted and I'm not losing sleep.